Okay, so now we are going to solve exercise 4.2 question number 3. The statement of question number 3 is, if m plus n plus p is equal to 10 and mn plus np plus mp is equal to 27, then find the value of m square plus n square plus p square. So in solution, so in these questions some values are given. The value of m plus n plus p is equal to 10 and the value of mn plus np plus mp is equal to 27. We have to find the m square plus n square plus p square. So in solution we will write the given which are given in the statement of question number 3. M plus n plus p is equal to 10 and mn plus np plus mp is equal to 27, and we have to find m square plus n square plus p square. So if we use the algebraic formulas, we have the formula. We know that the formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. By using this formula, we can easily find the value of m square plus n square plus p square. So if we replace a by m and b by n and c by p in the formula, so we have m plus n plus p whole square. So it becomes m square plus n square plus p square plus 2 into mn plus np plus mp. Now we have this formula. We will put the values which are given in the statement. So value of m plus n plus p is given, which is 10. So we will put the value here 10. It becomes 10's whole square, and we don't have the value of m square plus n square plus p square. We have to find them. So we will write them as it is, m square plus n square plus p square. Now we will put the value, 2 is a constant number, we will write as it is. Now the value of mn plus np plus mp is given, which is 27. So we will put the value of 27 here. Now by simplifying, if we take the square of 10, we will have 100. We will write m square plus n square plus p square as it is. Now we will multiply 2 into 27 becomes 54. Now we have to find the value of m square plus n square plus p square. So we will isolate them. So plus 54 will be shifted on the left hand side, and it becomes minus 54. So we have on right hand side m square plus n square plus p square. And if we simplify 100 minus 54, we will have 10 minus 4 becomes 6 and 9 minus 5 46. So if we subtract 100 minus 54, we will have 46, which is equal to m square plus n square plus p square. So In this way we have found the value of m square plus n square plus p square, which is 46.